are not the same. You forgot about my mystical elf. She's been choosing the spell since I put her on the field.
Bitch, she does not do that in real life.
To transfer her own attack power to any
Cheating.
other monster I choose.
Is this the thing that I get for putting you with on? Is that my fault?
We gotta watch the episode.
Showed me that you can alter the attack power of
Blue
a
Eyes is about to
blue-eyed
die.
dragon. But I'm raising the power of mine instead of lowering
It's the
it like
Nicki's
I
Chinese
did to
bangs.
yours.
Girl,
Go Chinese bangs with the bun up.
it was not recording. Let's watch episode 3. Episode 2 days. My favorite number.
Audiences did not ask.
Anyways, episode 3.
Get your
You need to be halted. Because what I will not tolerate on this episode is the Anita hate. We love Anita.
Period.
Period.com. Anita, I love you, little daughter.
Did you see this bitch put her finger in my face?
You are the only Moonlatoon. Where's my weight? Hold on.
Moonlatoon. Oh, not this left part. Oh, dear Lord. Oh, you looking like grandma's good
Anita!
boy. Looking like abuelita's good baby.
I'm like, we're about to do runway. I don't even know if I want to go through the trouble of showing everybody all these looks. So depending on how great or bad these are.
This is Canada.
Now you told the higher ups you was going to be nice this season. I already have a cryptid sister that is mean as hell.
That's right.
I'm gonna give you a 0.
Origami Alteria. I don't care.
We need some niceness. Okay, we're starting the runway. So this is the ball super all.
The weather ball.
Right. Oh, sorry.
Lace. Everybody lace. Okay, I'm loving the colors. I'm loving the cerulean representation.
You are eating.
She looks like Spice again.
Dirty wine, dirty time.
Oh, we see a tight Nokia stiff DD.
I love it. I'll give it a 9. I'll give it a 9.
A 9.
Well, we're not judging it, but for
a
me
9 is a little
personally,
generous. I would give it a 7.
No, she did a good
8.
job. Vanity eating.
Oh yes! Look, this is Melina after she killed Kitana.
This is Sindel dressed up as Melina.
Yeah. Oh, not Auntie. Auntie said
Right.
Sindel said, "Bitch, I'm still young."
But this is great. This is gaggy.
This is giving me
Amazing.
like, yes, Melina got her mouth back, and
Melina's got her mouth back.
I mean, she finally, yeah, and she just.
Word. What is it? 90s.
This
Victoria
is
Scone.
who's that one?
The Victoria.
Oh, that's the lesbian.
Yeah. Word.
She's looking like
She
Danny
is.
Beard a little bit. It don't look like Danny Beard.
Girl.
It's the same.
I will say, oh my God, throw those legs away. I'm going to throw this whole outfit.
That is you. You act like she is not you right now. That is you all day, every day.
Bye, girl. Then.
Oh.
Oh, Roger.
RuPaul. She's. Oh, okay. It's cute. The wig is.
It's a little.
Burn the wig! Burn the fucking wig!
Oh, I mean, it looks.
Quaker Oats, man.
Like. Indirect.
Girl.
The Quaker. It is a cheap ass Donna Summers. I mean, like Diana Ross
Ooh.
wig. It low key reminded me of RuPaul a little bit though.
So bring you now. Rita Bago.
Oh my gosh. An old fat lady is what I'm getting. Old fat lady.
This is the Rita Bago.
Oh, that shit is horrible. I hate the fit. I hate the fit. And she's like a good drag queen.
Fine. It's
a man.
sublime.
It's a bland. Oh no. I liked it for. Oh no,
I
man.
like it.
I don't.
Still okay.
It's fat and messy.
No.
No, that pattern is ugly.
I like it.
Oh, and then that thing around the titties.
I like it.
Really?
Yes. The only thing I don't like is that shoe.
She look like a big ass turtle. Like,
Those shoes. Anita.
oh no. No. Oh.
Okay.
I like the colors.
The wig is straight out the bag.
She
Anita.
looked like an old lady coming out of the sea.
Anita!
trying to bring men
It's
in.
okay.
And she always looks
What
like
did she throw?
It's not.
Okay.
No.
Oh, it's not terrible. I like it for what it was.
Category
Give me a little break.
is Arctic Foxy
Mukbang.
Lady. So cold.
Oh, cold.
Oh, okay. Okay. It's the same thing but in white.
Is this not VH1
Well,
Ice
it's
Fantasy
the same-
promo
yeah.
show?
It's the same outfit though, but in white.
I like it. It's fine. It's good. It's
It-
not bad.
I don't like the fact. I gotta be honest. I don't like the fact that it's. I can tell it's the same outfit, but in another color.
It's fine.
It is fine though. Yeah, it's not ugly. It's just.
ISIS.
This is giving me the Hilary Duff movie when she came out in that ice dress.
What is this?
No, actually, she looks like an Arankar low key.
You not a wrong car, auntie. Put this away. Yeah, but it looks inspired. I guess
It looks like a
fine.
snowman that was designed. Like,
It's fine. Next.
It's good. It's all right. No, shut up, bitch.
Ooh, Victoria.
Yeah.
that's
Oh,
so good.
yeah. Oh, I love
Did
it.
she just break a glass?
And it's okay, yeah. She's doing it for me. She did it. This is Icy Ursula, is what it's giving me.
I like the hair.
Yeah, me too. This is Frost after she she killed Sub-Zero.
I thank you. Take this as payment for your help.
No, ma'am.
And she became the cool
Raja.
Raja. Oh, cute. This is cute. Oh, very puss.
Famous Monastery critique. It's very cute.
That's right.
It's very Miss Puss.
I love it.
And she's wearing her icon. She's wearing her signature purple.
I will say, if you do notice, fur and pearls.
Hater alert. Hater alert.
What a 10 out of yes. I actually like
big
it.
chunky pearl necklace.
Because it's one step.
Rita.
No.
Tired.
And she did good on the show. I'm getting rosé like. A burner, a man who's smart in a wig. You.
No.
But
Don't you compare me to those white devils.
Release it in Jesus' name. Just start speaking it. Come on, bro. Shake it up.
like the white devil in a manger. I gotta. Oh, Silky. Oh. Now this is what yes, Silky.
This is very nice.
Very nice. Oh, and it's okay. You see, elevated pageantry. She could barely hold that shit up. Like, her head is just. Oh, this is so cute.
Honey, you mean Hercules?
Honey, this is Silky Minaj. I mean, Silky.
I'm talking about you. Anita. This is very pretty. I like that gem.
It's better than what she did before. This is actually a good look for her.
Anita, you are eating.
This one's good. Okay. I like this one. Okay.
Oh. This is very clean.
I like it. Way to go. Oh. Couture. Spice.
Vanity.
Oh, we see a tight
Please.
Nokiasti.
This is Caught in the Rain.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't hate it, to be honest.
It's
very it's cute, conceptual, but simple. I'll give this a passing score.
It's
Vanity.
this is giving
I like it.
Vanity. This yeah.
Hydropump.
Oh my god, she got me wet, girl.
Oh, I love it.
It's Isis Couture.
I love a sewer monster.
It's not bad. It's very. I like the.
I'm just loving
Axolotl,
all the
whatever the fuck.
I'm loving all the blues. You know, blue is such a versatile color. It's a primary color. It's the blueprint. Period.
Victoria.
She
Oh, I
got
love
caught
that
in
wig.
the- Oh, like the okay, I get it.
But what's caught in the rain about this?
Like the petals, like the rain. I don't know. Maybe it makes the petals come off.
So
I
I
don't know.
am
You know how,
confusion.
girl. She do. I don't know. Let me.
Okay. Next.
I don't get caught in the rain.
Raja.
Oh, this is cute. And the purple wig, I love it.
Oh.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
She
Raja.
did choose colors that accent purple very nicely.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm fucking tired of purple every fucking time.
Oh, okay. Because the red walls and the red floor and the red monastery and the red wig and okay.
One thing about it, you're insane.
Oh, okay. But she wants to read, but she's tired.
Rita Baga is here.
Back to the show.
Oh, Rita, you can throw this away too.
So back to what I was saying about red. Tina Burner is what I like.
Put those
fancy,
shoes away.
fancy
Right.
Tina Burner.
Expensive Tina Burner.
Burner, yes. It's just she just looked like a big old man teacher teaching kids how to. Girl, she's just a faggot.
She's Miss Frizzle.
like,
Girl, that's a booty haul.
oh.
What is this
Big
chunky?
girl walking down.
I love it, Silky. This look is impeccable.
It is.
She made a raincoat out of
Oh, it's leopard print.
Silky.
10 out of 10.
You are eating, daughter.
Finally.
Always gotta get Silky.
I'm just saying.
Anita, the haunted lake woman.
This is Drag Sunday
I don't
at
care.
brunch.
Anita, good job. Water.
This is drag bingo. I love it. You know, she did a little one. Silky did amazing. You could tell
Well,
Silky got money.
looks like
She did
those runways forecasted a rainy day.
RuPaul.
That's right.
It's time to head back
Rita,
into
Anita.
the Amazon's Coliseum of lip syncing.
Please look on the kiosk where you can better work slate. Remember, if you want a partner to keep the blood off of you, we're slate the right word. You better sissy that hunt you down the runway, Miss D. Oh, okay. Enjoy the board.
The house down boots the gods clap clap ba 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 boo.
What the fuck? That evil spell.
Oh my god, Silky looks like the Wiz. like
Rita or Anita? Which one would you pick? No,
Oh.
now before you answer,
Massa.
who are you choosing? I will. Now you know what happened to my sister.
Oh no, ma'am. You need to send the Crimson Smile home. I ain't got time.
Not the Crimson
And
Smile.
like, I'm not.
I will save you, Anita. Okay, I'm Team Silky. What is Silky?
Why Silk? Your face, she's finger always in my face, and now the finger's in y'all's face. For life. How you wish then?
One moment, Victoria.
One moment.
He said, does she gotta use the bathroom? Girl,
You got a question?
you got a question, bitch.
The lesbian is quietly
Teacher.
funny, like.
She's murdering y'all, girl.
Yes.
Oh, the lesbian. Okay.
I'm not worried about this lip sync.
Hold on. This is something to pay attention. Oh shit.
Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it!
Silky won already.
No.
Come on, spin,
The
Victoria,
lesbian
bitch.
is doing it though. Oh, it's just Silky is just damn.
But she already took it to the
The church.
Dallas, Texas church,
She-
girl.
Not the Dallas. She is in the third.
You know
ward.
that's a Pentecostal church, bitch.
It is a Baptist church. Oh, Silky. Silky stay looking like a Tyler Perry. I hate you.
Silky is running. Not.
Oh,
Silky
and this is great.
not the Stop in the Name of Love. Come on, Silky.
Oh,
Silky won. Silky won.
did it. It's her. She did good though.
Why is no one spinning? This is the part to spin.
The spiritual.
Right. And what has happened?
No, I know you can split, baby, but like you're like okay, but it's
Majorette. That's right, Silky, my mom. Ooh.
Oh, this is Alyssa versus Coco, but the big version with the.
Not the big girl revenge. No.
And Coco's gonna win again. Look, she's doing it.
Oh my god, I feel like Silky about to fall off the stage. Silky, please.
Okay, but the Raja
in the back,
stays
wins
in
the
the back.
Come on, Silky.
Okay, she's doing good though. The lesbian is eating. I'll still destroy you in this lip sync, bitch.
You will be the white woman. You would be Victoria.
Okay, so
trying to spin.
You don't know. She may win.
She may win because she's doing good.
Like she's doing good. Like
It's just that Silky's like telling you.
But Silky is. Silky has more stage presence.
Nobody was supposed to.
And also, don't sleep on Silky's make. Silky's a gorgeous drag king. Stop doing these splits.
Did she do another split?
She ended on a split. I'm like, okay, girl, you can move like the drag queens. Girl,
bitch,
they can't see
Stop
us.
doing splits for no reason.
See us, okay.
Silky.
Okay, question.
Nope.
Beyonce, question.
Okay, the crane is put away.
She
the
said, honey, you mean what?
Come on, Silky. Oh, she win money? I forgot.
No, but you did good.
You did good, Victoria.
No, you did actually really,
you said
really good.
Maybe 2 people were supposed to be here, but nobody was supposed to be here.
The fuck? Goodbye with that.
Okay.
You are safe.
Goodbye, Tiger Lady.
Okay, she did really good. Miss Patty Anderson did great.
Patty Anderson.
The crimson smile creeps me the
Once
fuck
you
out.
see 2 moves.
Can you imagine if they crop her fucking smile onto you while you pop out of this fan? And she's like, I'm scared. And I'm sure she scares Brooklyn too. Pageant.
Come on, speech.
And her hair looks crazy.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I am your first runner-up and second choice for the alternative Miss.
This is like when BB sent, what's her name? Ashra.
Ashra?
Which queen have you chosen to get the chop?
The girl that I chose.
Sit down.
No, not Ashra me! To the nether realm with you!
Oh, God, stop smiling.
Anita,
baby,
no!
frown.
Now you telling this bitch to be sad.
It's like, girl, give this a break.
Anita, I love you. And you are forever in my heart. Now, goodbye.
Do not trust this face, girl. I will stab you in the back. Don't ever play with me, girl.
Oh, Anita.
Okay, that was funny.
Anita, you win. You win my heart.
They always do it at the end. I'm like,
okay, Anita.
Nobody's supposed to be here. That was a good lip sync. That was a really good lip sync.
I'm turning it this season.
The lesbian is amazing. Like
she is.
She's fantastic.
Victoria.
What season was she on of UK?
3, 4.
Oh, she was in late.
3.
Wait, what season are we on now?
No, 4 because But she's here now, Victoria! Yay! Yay!
I want to watch whatever season of UK she was on, because that was...
You will be watching that by yourself.